Hello everyone. In this blog post I talk about how to prioritize your saving, a simple step-by-step guide. So this is what a lot of people ask me is, what's like the order of operations of saving your money? All right, so I have 8 steps here. So the first one is building an emergency fund. So that's like the most important, right? So 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. So things like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance payments, and minimum debt payments, right? Keep your emergency fund in some sort of high yield savings account. This is always the number one thing you should be doing for saving, having an emergency fund. And then number 2 is you always should save for retirement. So the goal is at least 15 to 20%. If you can save more, that's good, in your 401k, 403b, or workplace plan. Okay, so always at least save up to your match, because your match is free money, right? So don't not save up to your match at least. Okay, 15 to 20% at least up to your match. And then the third one, if you have a high deductible health plan at work, you would max out your HSA account. Okay, you can either have, depending if you have dependents, you can have family coverage, individual coverage. So it's triple tax advantage. Contributions are tax deductible. Growth is tax free, and when used for medical expenses, the money comes out tax free. So that's number 3. Number 4 is to increase your 401k contributions up to 20% of your income. So the first, number 2 was up to your match, right? And then after you do the HSA, if you have one, then you save up to 20% of your gross income. So you can actually do under 50, 23,500 in 2025 as your employee contribution. And then step 5 is to have some money in a Roth IRA. Okay, so you can either do a regular Roth IRA if you're under the income limit, or you can do a backdoor Roth IRA if you're over the income limit. So that's step 5, funding a Roth IRA. Then step 6 is saving in a taxable brokerage account. So this is just your regular brokerage account. You pay taxes as you go on dividends, capital gains, and so forth. It's great for early retirees, for large purchases, and so forth. You can tax loss harvest and all these good things. So that's number 6. And number 7 is saving for college if you have children, in a college savings plan, right? So college is one of the most expensive purchases after your home. Okay, so saving for college is important if you have children. And then step 8 is paying off non-mortgage debt. So always paying off all credit cards each month. Have some sort of payment method, like an avalanche or snowball method, or something to pay off all your non-mortgage debt. Now if you can pay extra on your mortgage, that's good too, but try not to have any debt at all on credit cards. All right, so these are the 8 steps, and they can be in different orders. It really depends on your individual situation. So if I can be of service, reach out to me on the contact page below. Have a great day.